Welcome. In today's guide, we're going to walk through how to set a custom sound for shared items notifications on Google Drive. This is especially useful if you want to instantly recognize when someone shares a file or folder with you, without confusing it with other notifications on your phone. The process is quick and simple, and by the end, you'll have a personalized sound alert that keeps you in control of your workflow. Let's get started. First, open your phone's settings. This is where all of your notification and app customization options live. From here, scroll down and tap on Apps. This section lists all the apps installed on your device. Next, find and select Google Drive. Once you're inside the Google Drive app settings, go ahead and tap on Notifications. Here, you'll see different categories of alerts that Google Drive can send you. Now, select Notification Categories. Within this menu, you'll notice multiple types of notifications, each one assigned to a specific function. Look for and tap on Shared Items. This category is dedicated to alerts you receive whenever someone shares a file or folder with your Google Drive account. After choosing Shared Items, tap on Sound. This is where the customization really comes in. Browse through your available notification tones and pick one that stands out to you. It could be something subtle or a tone that immediately grabs your attention. Once you make your selection, the new sound will automatically be applied. And that's it. You've just set a custom sound for shared items notifications in Google Drive. From now on, whenever someone sends you a file or shares a folder, you'll hear the unique tone you selected, making it easier to distinguish from other notifications. Taking a few minutes to adjust this simple setting can save you time and help you stay more organized, especially if you rely heavily on file sharing and collaboration. So go ahead. Personalize your Drive alerts, and never miss an important shared file again. Thanks for watching.